Hi Honey Clouds fam, Jollof Spaghetti lovers gather here. Today I'm making Chef Temmie's Jollof Spaghetti recipe, and let me tell you, this one is not your regular. Stick around, let me show you how I put my own twist on it, okay? So we are going to start by making our base, our stew base. In your pan, add in your oil, vegetable oil, granite oil, whichever oil you have. Then your onion, saute that for a while. Remember, we are trying to build our flavor, so you just want the onion to release all the good juices into the oil. Then you go in with your paste, your tomato paste. You can use as much as you want, as much as possible. It's your spag, so do whatever you wish with it. Then you have to season up your favorite spices. So this is all of that, and this is my favorite one. It's called yati. I know like people from the west, mostly people from the west, they know this a lot, and also people from the north. This is a very good, this is a very good spice. You should have in your collection. Then I added in my meat because I don't really want to fry it, but I still wanted to absorb all that goodness. Then we go in with our tomatoes. That's actually our pepper mix. Let's put it that way, our pepper mix. So you're just gonna fry that for a while. Go in with your meat stock. There is nothing complicated about this one. It's quite simple. Honestly, this feels so relatable because this is pretty close to what I know, what I've always done with my jollof spaghetti, or it's just a little twist here and there. Okay, we are going to parboil our spag right now. I added in a little bit of salt because I always do that. Then parboil our spag till at least we should cook it till 70% done. And here comes the star of the show, our spaghetti, soaking up every bit of the rich flavorful sauce. And a good mix to combine everything together. At this point, the aroma is just giving everything that is meant to give. And here comes my own little way of being extra. Some cabbage, some onion, and some carrots. I actually added that last because I want that extra crunch. Voila! And here you have it, Chef Temmie's Jollof Spaghetti with my own special touch. Will you try this recipe in your kitchen? Drop a plate of spag in the comments if you are a Jollof Spag fan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your foodie friends. Let me know what you think. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.